students, welcome to Plus One Political Science class. Today we will continue with lesson 1, Introduction to Political Science. The objectives of today's class are nature of political science. Today we will do traditional view, political science is not a science, and modern view, political science is a science. Before discussion of the topic, I will discuss with you the key terms of today's topic. First is prediction, that is forecast, to tell in advance what will happen in future. Next is astronomy, the branch of science which deals with the space like stars, planets. Liberalism, political philosophy based on liberty and equality before law. Decentralization, a system of distribution of authoritative group. Masses, a large number of people crowded together. Now let us come to the topic of the day, that is the nature of political science. Is political science a science? Every social discipline which studies a particular social aspect has to face a question: is it a science? Politics is a social discipline. Naturally, it also faces this question. Regarding this, different scholars have different opinion. Some scholars hold that politics is not a science, it is an art, because it has neither exactness nor the ability of prediction making. Others hold that politics is a science because it uses scientific method for acquisition of knowledge of politics. Now let us examine both traditional and modern views regarding the nature of politics. First, we will discuss the traditional view about political science is not a science. Several scholars like Buckle, Wheatland, and August hold the view that politics, though often called political science, is not a science. They define science as a body of exact knowledge of a field on the basis of which predictions can be made. Exactness and predictability constitute the two fundamental properties of science. For example, these qualities are found in natural sciences like physics and chemistry, but these do not characterize politics. Hence, politics is not a science. Now, I will discuss some arguments with you in support of view that political science is not a science. The first argument is lack of agreed principles of political science. There are no agreed principles in politics. Scholars have different views even regarding its meaning, definition, and scope. Second is lack of exactness. Political science lacks exactness. Politics does not provide exact knowledge about state, government, and other institutions. Science stands for exactness in knowledge of the field. Next is prediction making is not possible in politics. I will discuss it with the help of an example. You tell me, when the legislature passes a law, can it predict the success or failure? I am sure they can't predict. Like when Modi government passed Citizenship Amendment Act, could it predict its success or failure? No, it's not possible. Everyone who works imagines success, but it all depends on time. but a scientist can make valid and exact predictions like in physics and chemistry and other sciences. Non-operation of law of cause and effect. In the sphere of science, the law of cause and effect is always present. However, same causes do not lead to same effects in politics. In some states, poverty acts as a cause of revolution, while in others it leads to stagnation in social life. Here, let's take an example of France. The causes which led to French Revolution failed to produce a revolution in England. So, in political science, it's not sure. Same causes will bring the same result. It all depends also on time. Next is experiments are not possible in political science. Here I would like to talk about Newton. We all know that Newton saw the falling apple and gave us the law of gravitation. I hope it's a sufficient example to prove that science depends on proofs and experiments. In science, scientists prove their conclusions by conducting various experiments in the laboratories. However, experimentation is not possible in politics. So, on these basis, we can say that politics is not a science, it is an art of government. Against this traditional view, now modern view hold that it is a science, as I discussed arguments in favor that politics is not a science, that it is traditional view. Opposite to this, modern view is that politics is a science. Now I will discuss arguments in support of the view that politics is a science. In support, my first argument is use of scientific method. Now, political science is a science because it uses scientific method of study. It depends upon observation and classification of data for the theory building. And second is validity of conclusions of political science. Presently, the use of systematic method of study has made it possible for political scientists to arrive at valid, verified and tested conclusions. The verification of conclusions is now becoming possible. Third is possibility of experimentation. Students, here I will discuss it with example. Elections are held in India after every 5 years. When adults cast their vote, the whole India becomes a laboratory. This is same experiment done in science. In politics, the success of democratic system is tested like this. Politics has several agreed principles. Students, now let us take an example of French Revolution. It gave us the agreed principles of liberty, equality, fraternity. Now these are in Indian Constitution also. So these are the established principles. In fact, I would like to say you the number of universally agreed principles of politics has increased and are still increasing. So almost all the modern political scientists strongly uphold the view that politics is a science. It admits scientific method of study. However, while admitting that politics is a science, it must be kept in mind that it is a social science and not a natural science. With this discussion, it finishes your lesson 1, Introduction to Political Science. Now you will watch the school video and YouTube video to make your notes on the basis of questions given in the SNAP homework. Next time we will work on lesson 2, that is fundamental concepts. Till then, goodbye and thank you.